Jimmy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath?
Yeah, just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Keep holding your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, okay, you breathe. Jimmy, breathe! You can breathe, Jimmy! Oh no!
Realize Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
What? Ah! That can't happen! That can't happen! Jimmy, come on! CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jimmy!
Thanks, Dad.
Your hiccups are gone, Jimmy! Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't say if they're annoying.
Alright, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
Sarah, stop hitting me! He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What? There's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Really get up in there. It smells like pepperonis. Yeah, it's a really bad case of hiccups.
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare them. It's a part of a 7-stage process. So basically, we're gonna have to boom. Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we gotta do now is boom. No, not quite. I'm gonna have to go out to my car and get a few things.
Okay.
Boom! Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All right.
What's stage 2?
All right, well, stage 2 is basically boom! All right, it's not working. Come on, follow me. Boom! Back up! Yeah,
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jimmy, come on.
Okay. All right, so for stage 6, we're gonna push Jeffy out of a plane without a parachute.
What?
Yeah, hopefully the fear of hitting the ground and dying is gonna get rid of his hiccups.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long as he hits the Twister mat.
What, the Twister mat?
Yeah, you know Twister, like the board game?
Yeah.
As long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But his hiccup's gone.
Hey, Chuckcat.
Hey, Jeffy.
Hey, Daddy, what you want?
I just came to read you a bedtime. Jeffy, what's that on the wall over there?
What? Ow! What the fuck, Daddy? Ow! Bitch, what? Ow! What the fuck, Daddy? Ow! Bitch, stop!
Okay.
Thanks and thanks for watching. Subscribe us. I missed it. Let's like this button too. Yeah. And Mrs. This guy name is by Vader Speed Out My Sticky Monster. So yeah. And yeah, I'm sorry about that, guys. You see, I'm trying to making the episode 1, the story that we'll make it, okay? Alright? I promise. Like August or maybe I don't know. Because it takes so long, right? Yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna make a video, okay? With tomorrow or maybe August 4. I'm gonna subscribe that guy. So we'll see you next video. Bye bye.